Hey everyone, this is Kevin Rodriguez, film critic of iCritic.net. Thank you so much for spending a few minutes of your time here with me today on my media channel. And today we are going to unbox. I don't do this very often for video games, but I'm just kind of curious. We have Suikoden 1 and 2 HD remastered on Xbox One. This is the day one edition. Now, I don't know if there's anything inside, but hence why we're doing an unboxing. I don't normally do unboxings because, ever since I started taking things like manuals and stuff out of the box, it's been pretty uneventful when you open it up. But this has been one of the big games that were kind of one of the holy grails of the PlayStation era, where it's like these are considered some of the greatest RPGs ever. I have to be honest, I have not played them, so I guess I'm going to find out if that still holds true. But I did play that spiritual sequel, The Chronicles of Eokin, or whatever it was, and that was really fun. So I'm hoping for something similar. I guess the first game is rated E10 plus, and the second game is rated teen. On the back, you have all the standard information in English and Spanish. I know some people say, "Well, why didn't you get the PlayStation or the Switch version?" Well, I just like Xbox. I know they've got an uncertain future, but I have most of my games on Xbox. I do have all the systems though, but my achievement scorecard is definitely the highest on Xbox. So that whole ecosystem thing. So let's open this. Let's see if there's anything special in it. By the way, I've always kind of liked for video games how they've always had these special, labels, security stickers that have like the company's names on them and everything like that. So let's take this off and let's see if there's anything physically special about this day one edition. Okay, so we have these special item packs. I guess there's a code on the back. Let me do this. There's a code on the back, so I'm not gonna show you it. I'm glad that they put it on the back so that I can upload this right away. So I guess I'll do that. That's like a little bonus. And you have everything on one disc. On the back they have the legal stuff. So aside from this code and this image right here, I guess that's what the day one edition accounts for. I don't know if you actually need to get the day one edition, but if these games are as fun as people say they are, then you might want to pick it up at some point, or at least rent it on GameFly or something like that. So I'm going to start playing this tonight. Hopefully it will be good. I am curious though, what do you guys think of the game? Do you think that little basically the extra money and stuff was worth being a day one edition? I'd love to know, so comment below, like, favorite, share, subscribe, and I'll see you at the movies. Take care, everyone.
Hey, you made it to the end. Thank you so much for making it to the end. Just a few more things. First of all, the names that you see on the screen, these are our Patreon and YouTube member supporters, and I thank each and every one of them. Their support helps me make exclusive videos for Patreon and YouTube members, as well as keep the channel running, and of course is just of huge kindness to me. Also, don't forget to check out the iCritic-led podcast on Spotify, Apple, Google, Deezer, whatever podcasting service you listen to, it is there. We definitely want to see you there. And hey, there's also other videos that you can check out. So, check out these other channels, these other videos, especially that one. I think that's a really good one.